In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down and click on Vibration and Haptics at the bottom. Then click on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust intensity of haptic feedback for incoming calls, notifications, alarms, and touches. And click on those two switchers next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually, and haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more to disable or enable those two options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!